Do cabbages clone themselves? You're going to be exploring this idea and relating it to sexual and asexual reproduction. Below you will find a list of what you will need to do this experiment and the steps you will need to follow. In this step, you will be performing your experiment. Here's what you will need. 3 fresh heads of cabbage, a cardboard, a knife, 9 paper towels, small sealable plastic bags, sandwich bags, water, camera, permanent marker, and cookie sheet or large tray. So, first thing that you're going to do is take pictures of your cabbages, labeling them 1, 2, and 3. We're taking all of the leaves off of the cabbage and just leaving the stems. You can just leave some of the leaves on the stem. 1 stem. Label 9 slips of paper. Cabbage stem 1, top slice. Cabbage stem 1, middle slice. Cabbage stem 1, bottom slice. And the same for cabbage stem 2, top slice. Cabbage stem 3, middle slice. Cabbage stem 2, bottom slice. That was all 2s. Cabbage stem 3, top slice. Cabbage stem 3, middle. And cabbage stem 3, bottom. Slice the leftover stems into 3 pieces horizontally, like you would chop down a tree, not like you would cut a pie. Keep track of which slice comes from which cabbage and whether it is top, bottom, or middle of the stem by placing them on the papers you labeled. Top, middle, and bottom. And this one too. I think it's got to be top, middle, bottom.
Top.
Okay, let's see if we can see any. See, I don't see a stem there, so bring it up. Like I want to see that. I think.
Oh.
I'm thinking. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So that could be the top. Get your baggies ready to clone your cabbages. Fold a piece of paper towel in half again, so that it's a square, or a rectangle in my case. Slip the folded paper towel into a sealable plastic bag so that the last fold you made is on the bottom of the bag. If the paper towel is too big to seal the bag, trim it with some scissors. Add water in the bag until it's damp, not soaking wet. Take pictures of each stem piece with the paper labeling. Use the data table to record observations about each stem piece before you go further with the experiment. After making your first set of observations, put each stem in the corresponding bag with the matching label. Put each piece in the middle of the folded layers of the wet paper towel. Blow a tiny bit of air into each bag before sealing it. Cabbage 1, cabbage 2, cabbage 3. Place all 9 sealed bags on a tray or cookie sheet. Do not stack them. Top, middle, bottom number 1, top, middle, bottom number 2, top, middle, bottom number 3. Place the tray near a window and keep them at room temperature. If the bags are sealed properly, you should not need to add water again to the bag. Each day for the next week, take your stems out of the bags and fill your daily data table. Taking pictures can be helpful too, but remember to put a label of which day it is in your pictures. Happy experimenting!